just for fun, real quick, and to kind of sidebar, I just want to talk about this cross browser in JavaScript, just because I know it's probably new for you. Debugging cross browser issues with JavaScript is a pain. There's no such thing like CSS where you can do vendor prefixes or anything like that. And there's essentially two types of bugs or cross browser issues. One is a syntax issue, and this is vanilla JS. It's an array. And these two arrays look identical on the surface. And for example, the second one has a comma and as a trailing comma in the last list item. If you would try to run that in Chrome today, it would work. Everything would be fine. You think your code is good. If you would run that in an older version of Chrome or IE, it would probably break. And when something breaks in JavaScript or there's a syntax issue, the entire script stops, aka none of your JavaScript works. A different type of issue that you kind of face are feature support. So just like CSS3, there's no vendor prefixes, so it's a little bit harder to handle. And these two here are the new ways to declare variables. However, they're not supported in older browsers, which is this, the regular variable declaration. If you would run this in an older browser, it would be the equivalent of running something like this. Like the browser has no idea what those are. So this is just going to break and it's not going to work. And I just wanted to show you that because I know you're learning JavaScript. It's just helpful. And it's really peace of mind to be able to use these jQuery shorthand things and know that you are covered for cross-browser support. That's all.